It's your bestie. Tomorrow's my birthday. I'll be 29. I just want to say, hey, I'm getting my nails done at my new salon. So I will see y'all in a little bit. I got candy apple red. So, hey guys, it's your bestie. I'm back. Y'all, that nail salon. Oh my God. That nail salon visit was not. For as much as that just cost, I expected like more. These are my, I'm asking y'all, these are my nails. I don't know if y'all can see the little sweater nail design, but I got that. I need to put some lotion on. But the mom, I guess that was the owner's mom or whatever, she was just rude. I don't know what was wrong with the lady. I came in. I told her my name is Brianna. What? Like, I don't know. I don't know. After she got done with my pedicure, that's when she got excited. Like, started talking. I don't even think I want to go back there. Like, she just messed up my mood. I was happy with Haley doing my nails. You know, it's great, beautiful, yay. But she messed up. The mom messed up my mood. She was just throwing my foot everywhere, and I don't know what's wrong with her, but I probably won't go back there. My cousin told me about another nail salon, so I would probably go, and it's just down the street from where I went, but I'll probably go check out that one or call them and see, or look at their pictures first and see, you know, what they about, because I'm about, like, customer service, like that. I don't know. People just need to find something else to do. If y'all don't, I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. No, it's not me. It's not me. I'm not even gonna second guess that, because she had an attitude, and I don't know. She was throwing my foot. Y'all, I'm not. I like my nails. I'll show y'all my toes in a minute. They just green, but I'm not pleased. Like, I'm pleased with my nails. They look great, but the service that I just got from the mom, oh no. She didn't talk to me the whole time till she got done. Then she wants to smile. Ah, it's your birthday tomorrow. Happy birthday, happy early birthday. No, you could have been talking to me this whole time. I tried to talk to her, but yeah, I got an attitude now. I low-key got an attitude because no, and that's why I was going to the nail salon I was going to, because I got the service, the customer service that I love. They were nice. They talk to you. They treat you well. They laugh with you. And what I just paid for what I did, no. I'm going to try and get out this funk. I think I need to go get me a bite to eat. That's probably my problem. But I probably won't never go back there. Anyway. Hey y'all, tomorrow's my birthday. At this point, I'm just ready to go to sleep. I'm not even in the mood. Maybe tomorrow my attitude will change. But I hope y'all are doing well. I am headed back to my job, because guess who didn't put their time in? Me. I did it. It's me. Lord, see, I'm gonna get someone going. Just stop. Y'all didn't seen it, but anyway, I do that all the time. Yeah, I'm about to go grab me something to eat, because sis is starving. And after I leave my job, I'm going home to relax, unpack, and just chill, because I'm tired. I just want a nap. That's all I want. It's just a nap, honey. But yeah, y'all, I'll be 29 tomorrow, and yeah, I'm just happy to be alive, y'all. It's just like every year I get older, I don't want no gifts, because I'm just thankful, like, for the breath. Like, your birthday, I mean, it's great to get gifts, but I don't think your birthday is about gifts. Like, your birthday is about God giving you like another year to, like, I made it a whole year without no car accidents, like without getting hurt, no disease, like, you know what I'm saying? I'm just thankful just to be healthy, just to be alive. So as I get older, that's what I've been learning. So yeah, I'm not about the gifts and stuff, because yeah. But Sheriff, you need to clean your car. That sheriff need to clean his car out. But anyway, y'all, yeah, I'm in a little mood right now, but I will probably be better when I get a snack and get some sleep. But yeah, y'all, let me turn it off. I hope y'all doing well. I hadn't seen y'all in a little while. I know. I was a little busy last week, so I didn't get to edit my videos for y'all. But yeah, y'all, we get our hair done tomorrow. We get our wax, our underarms. Let me be specific. We get our wax tomorrow. You taking too long. We get our wax tomorrow and eyebrows. So I might film tonight if I do anything, but probably. Oh, I can the stuff that, you know, my brother call me every day. I got you something. I got you something. I'm like, don't tell me what it is, because I told you not to get me nothing. But hard headed got me something anyway. So I'll open what he sent. Maybe tonight, or I will wait till tomorrow, because I'm tired. I just want to go to sleep at this point. Like, I'm irritated, y'all. I'm irritated with a smile. So I'm just hungry. But yeah, y'all, I will see y'all in a little bit. I'm about to go to my job, finish doing what I do best. It's clean, and I shouldn't even get this way. And yeah, I'll see y'all in a little bit. Peace. Hey y'all. I'm finally home. I think I got home at around like 5 something, I think. All these gifts right here. I have to open all these that I got in the mail. Some of them, one of them is not a gift. One of them is something I'm doing for y'all, for one of these videos. So I will do that. But I'm hungry. I'm debating if I want to eat something or not. But we about to open these gifts, or we might open one, because tomorrow is what? My birthday. So we might open one today for my brother, and then open the rest tomorrow. So let's just get to it. Well, tomorrow is hair day. I opened some of my stuff. Y'all can't see 2 of these things because they're not birthday gifts, but I have to do a video for y'all with these 2. So stay tuned for that, number 1. And I'll show y'all what all I got tomorrow for my birthday. Y'all saw the knives. I got some. Shout out to my brother. I got some beautiful perfume and some nice workout clothes. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 4 or 5 more to open, I think. And then yeah, tomorrow is hair day. Tomorrow is wax for my underarms, and I'm getting my eyebrows done. So stay tuned with that. I do want to go to Sephora too, because I need some more lip liner, and I wanted to get some eyeliner too. We might do that tomorrow. I just want to rest, because y'all know I go to, well, I guess it is work. I go work with my father on Friday, and that's all day. So I want to make sure I'm rested for that, because that's going to be all day on my feet. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, y'all. I will see y'all tomorrow when I turn 29. Y'all have been rolling with me since like March, since I was 28, since this year. So y'all get to turn 29 with me. So I'm excited. Hi guys. Hi. The last year of my 20s, y'all. I don't know what this last year of my 20s is gonna hold, but I know it's something good. So I got some good stuff in store for y'all. For my 29th, after my 29th, whatever. I will tell y'all what we're doing as we go, because I got a little surprise that I want to show y'all. So, peace out, y'all. I'm about to rest. I will see y'all tomorrow. I'm talking about. Bye. Hey, y'all. Good morning. It's your bestie's birthday today, guys. I'm at my hair salon. I'll get my hair done, and then after that, if I get out by more, because Mr. Juan is running late, you know. I just got here. I'm going to get my eyebrows and underarms, waxed. So I'll stay tuned for that, and that's it. I do need to go pick up gifts and send gifts out. So we'll probably go do that when we leave and get done with everything. And then we'll go home because I have to straighten up my room from unpacking my work stuff. That's why. But yeah. Hey, y'all. She's 29. She's 29. 29 and beautiful. How are y'all doing today? I pray y'all doing well. Yeah. I want to go see Avatar today because I took my kids, but I was editing the whole time for y'all these last 2-3 videos. In there so I could get them out. So I need to go watch Avatar, the full thing. I know what happened at the end, and then I cried. I just boohoo cried because it was so sad. But yeah, I want to go see Avatar today. I'm gonna go get me a steak, some lobster, some broccoli, a margarita, a sangria, and I don't know what else, but that's it. And open the rest of my gifts. Yeah. So I will see y'all in here. Y'all know Mr. Juan gotta tell y'all what she doing to my hair. So bye. I love y'all. Sorry, doing this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, feels so good. Thank you so much. Okay, so y'all can see. So pretty. Not hanging. Hey y'all. We are done. Sorry. We are done with. My stomach is boiling. With my appointment. I'm probably about to go home because my stomach is hurting so bad. I got to get to the house. After I get my brows and stuff done, we might go get gifts for a few people. So yeah, I'm about to go home because number one, I'm starving. I want some eggs and some turkey bacon, which I don't have no turkey bacon, which that means I need to go to the store and get some turkey bacon, but I don't want to go to the store and get no turkey bacon because then that means I got to get out the car, go in the store, go find the turkey bacon, then check out and get back in the car and then drive to the house. That's a little too much for me right now. So I think I'm just about to go home until my appointment is 1:45, and then go out. So let's go to the house. Stomach is boiling. Here, y'all, she trimmed my hair. Hair is in a year. Do y'all know how long this gonna be? It's gonna be double this. Like, yeah, we got to get to the house. My stomach. Oh my god. All right, y'all. I'm about to get my eyebrows done. I'm trying to whisper. She over there, but it's gonna be looking like I got oil on my face. That's my eyebrows. Okay.
So that would be 2 years actually.
I'm sleepy. I just want to go to sleep. I want to eat a good meal and go to sleep. I hope y'all doing well today. I know I keep saying that. But thank everyone for the birthday wishes, honey. I'm so thankful to have lived to see 29. So, yeah, y'all, we about to get these. Y'all can see them better back here. What? So glad I made it. Yes. Hallelujah. Eyebrows done. Armpits done. Y'all, that armpit hurts so freaking bad. If I was a G. Period. I think I'm about to go get me some dinner. No, lunch, dinner right about now. Well, no, at 3. I'm gonna go get me some dinner. I'm going to Longhorn, y'all. And I want me a steak with some lobster And I want me a big steak with some lobster, shrimp. Y'all thought that car was about to hit this other car. Steak with some lobster, shrimp, broccoli. I want mashed potatoes, but I don't want that starch to bloat my stomach. Because when I eat starch, that's what happens, and I don't like that. So I might get double broccoli and just some water, honey. I just want me a steak and some lobster, to be honest. So that's what I'm about to go get here in a little bit at 3. So I will see y'all when we get there. Bye. All right, so since today's my birthday, guys, I am in, trying not to be copywritten. I am in Marshall's. So I found Jimmy Choo floral, which y'all gotta look up scents if y'all want to know what stuff smell like. So that's what I've been doing. And this Versace Bright Crystal. I hope this is the real thing. I pray it is. But we will see. So yeah, I'm just getting me 2 perfumes and I'm gonna get my butt out of here because I don't need to be spending nothing else. But yes, y'all, that's it. They have Burberry in here. Well, y'all can't see it, but this is Burberry Touch, and I might want to get this one too, but I'm not sure at the moment. But yeah, we are going to get out of here before I start buying up this whole store. So I'm about to get the Jimmy Choo floral and the Versace Bright Crystal, and we are about to be out of here. If I find something else, I will let y'all know. But yeah, they got a lot of stuff in here, the perfume. So they definitely have my Hydra Boost cleansing gel in here for $4.99. Like, they better stop playing. Look at all this stuff, y'all. Oh my gosh. Y'all know I have this at the house too, but yes, honey, they ain't playing. Elf, okay. Y'all, I'm in the car trying to smell. I'm opening a Jimmy Choo. Y'all, if this... hold on. Let me let my window up and see if I won't cool off. And lock my doors so no one won't try and jump in here and get me. Because if this stink, y'all gonna be like, what was you thinking? Okay, I can't smell it. I was so scared. Oh, hold on, let me. Oh my God, y'all. Sis is about to, sis is about to be smelling good. This Jimmy Choo. Okay. One of the men on Amazon talking about this smells so good it makes me want to follow my wife all around the house. Had to get it, okay? Had to get it. Okay, the Lord is good. The Lord is good. This better be a real Versace Bright Crystal. Versace retailers, okay. Okay, so we opening the Versace now. This was $54.99, which is not bad. It was on Sephora. It was $85. I pray this smell good, cause if it don't, we're gonna have a problem. Oh, it's pretty. Look at this. Yes, honey. Okay, so first we bougie because period. Look, who gonna be period with their nails? Okay, period. I'm so scared. I am so scared. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Baby, we got some good buys today. That's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say. I am pleased. I am pleased with my buys. Look. Okay, so yeah, back to what I was saying. I'm pleased. If y'all want Versace Bright Crystal, I cannot tell you what it smells like right now. Just look it up on like Sephora or Ulta, or just look it up online. Look at the fragrance notes, and if you think that the fragrance notes is gonna smell good on your skin, get it. And this Jimmy Choo smells, it just smells so good. Like, it just smells so feminine and just good. We about to go eat. I that's the ghetto coming out. I did not find any specific things in Marshall's for specific individuals. So we're gonna go to a few different stores either today or tomorrow. I know I want to drive to G-Boro and go to Macy's, and there's another DSW, because I know they got some bomb shoes in there. So we're gonna go check that out. Sir, I love your BMW. Y'all really can't see this, but this blue BMW in the middle is just, y'all see the little hump through the window? It's just cute. Anyway, this is about to be, like, I love to smell. I hate being funky. I hate being stank. I hate smelling raunchy. Like, ugh. Like, I don't know. If you like being dirty, that's on you. You know, I can't judge you. if you like smelling funky, that's for you. I still love you if you do, but yeah. But Versace White Crystal, Jimmy Choo Floral, hands down, smells fantastic. And if I'm saying it smells fantastic, it smells good. Like, so go get you some. We about to go on down to Longhorn, so I can go get me a steak, lobster. Y'all heard the can I get to the yams? Sweet yams. Show me the way, 'cause I got bills. Have y'all heard that? That don't go hard. Let me pull out so this man can get the space. Is he gonna turn right here? Let me see. Yep, he is. Look. Who about to back up and give Mr. this space? He ain't even paying attention. Thank you. Y'all just be. Can I get to the yams? Sweet. Look at this Beamer. That thing is huge. Thank you. Thanks. Look at that Beamer. It's just so nice. This lady just beat to me because she thought I was gonna hit her car. Like, ma'am, I can't see over the bushes. I gotta go out a little bit, and I beat back. Like, ain't no one gonna hit your ugly Nissan SUV. So keep going. And she gonna look at me, and I'm like, shoot, ain't no one gonna hit your car. I couldn't see over the bushes. Anyway, how y'all doing? I'm gonna go get me some steak. I'm so excited. I want steak, lobster, broccoli. I didn't want some potatoes, but I might get potatoes and like save them for tomorrow or like another day. Yeah. Excuse me. Okay. But yeah, we are headed to go get us some food. I'm very excited. This perfume has got me excited. I'm happy. I'm in the mood. Yeah. Hold on. I don't even know if I told y'all. I got a trim today. Yeah, I did. 6 weeks, honey. So in another 6 weeks, I'm gonna get another trim because I gotta make sure my hair is growing, honey. Because next year about this time, my hair is gonna be double this. Like, it's gonna be like down in here, okay? Like, I'm gonna have me a real fro. I told you I wouldn't cut my hair, but then y'all never know what I do. But I'm gonna get some braids in like a month or two, so I won't cut it, so I can just have different styles, you know, because I want to be bald headed. I want to have edges, like, you know, I want to have edges, and I want to have pretty, healthy, natural hair. Like, I don't want to be like everybody else. I want to be like Brianna. Like, I don't want to be like the world. I want to be like me. You know what I'm saying? So natural, like natural nails, natural hair, natural skin, you know. I just want to be natural. Like, I just want to look natural. Natural weight loss, because period. Sisters, that just in case y'all didn't know, I was trying to get to 199 by my birthday, but I didn't make it to 199. But guess what? I'm almost there. I weigh, y'all know, at the beginning when I started doing the weight loss study for the phentermine and placebo and stuff, I weighed 226. Guess how much I weigh, y'all? Guess how much your sister lost? I don't even know. But I'm down to 212, I think is what I weighed in this morning. Because I had some starch the other. If she can get married, I can get married. I'm just going to say that. So, yeah, I'm down to 212, y'all. So, I have 12 pounds to go time to 213 pounds to go until the ambiance in here is on price. Okay, let me show you the mirror. Hey y'all, did y'all see that dinner? Delicious, okay. I'm headed home now. Thank y'all for eating with me. Thank y'all for wishing me a happy birthday. I love every single one of y'all. I'm just so blessed. I ain't trying to get emotional and start crying because I be emotional, y'all. And I be just so sensitive now. Like, oh my gosh. But yeah, I'm about to head home and just relax, honey. I'm tired. I'm sleepy. I'm ready to go to sleep. I'm ready to lay down. And what's that movie? Jack Ryan, the show has come out today on my birthday. So guess we about to go watch that me. Yeah, y'all. So y'all saw my perfume, y'all saw my food. I guess let's go check the mail actually, because my dad sent me something too. So I'm gonna go see what is in the mail. And my other friend Z sent me something. Shout out to y'all. Shout out to Tori, Z, Ashley, Kayla, my dad, my mom, my brother, my auntie, my cousin. My cousin is Tamelia Ree, Miss Megan, everybody that wished me a happy birthday. Thank y'all so much. Like, thank y'all so much. But yeah, we about to take it to the house, y'all. We'll probably do some fun stuff tomorrow because I do want to go to G-Borough and go to Macy's and another store. Because I'll tell y'all later. I want to get something for this finger. I know I told y'all like I wanted to get I want to call it a promise ring, but and I don't want to call it a ring for like celibacy or anything, but it's just a ring that if one of these is out here come up and be like, what's up, shorty? What's up, ma? What's up, little mama? I look at this ring and I be like, I don't deserve to be called little mama. I don't deserve to be called little shorty, little mama. I deserve to be called somebody's wife. So when I look at that ring, that's what that's for. So yeah, y'all, we gonna look at some rings because I definitely want to get one for myself just to remind me whose I am and what I am and whose I'm going to be one day. Okay, wifey. So yeah, I'm gonna go get me a nice cute little ring for my ring finger until the day that I get married or get engaged, and he can replace the ring. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all, that's the plan. That's what I want to do for my birthday and stuff. So we'll probably do that tomorrow. So yeah, I love y'all. I'll see y'all. Hey y'all, today is Thursday the 22nd. It is pouring. Y'all can't see it. Hi. It is pouring out here, and I wanted to go to a few stores to do a little holiday shopping, but guess what? I can't. I don't want to. It is pouring, and I didn't even bring my umbrella, so I'm gonna go to Gabe's and get me an umbrella because mine broke. And we'll go get some other things. So I will see y'all when we get to where we're going. Y'all can it's pouring, y'all. I'm about to walk to the car, so I'll see y'all in a bit. Copy renting. Hey, y'all. I don't even know if I checked in with y'all. Today is Thursday. I'm in my favorite store, Bell City Soap, as y'all can see, period. Y'all, I did not know they had a freaking fresh cotton body bar. Y'all better stop playing with me. Oh my God. Y'all, I'm about to buy 17,000 of these. This aloe and clover smells good. Copyright by this Sunday morning. Oh my God. White Jack. This is really soft. It smells like powder baby fresh. Oh my. Let me see what this Breathe smells like. I'm sorry, I'm trying to record for y'all. This Breathe smells like peppermint. Rose, okay, smells good. Wash that ash. Eucalyptus, let me see. Eucalyptus, yep, notes of eucalyptus, camphor, herbaceous, cypress, and pine. That's exactly what all this smells like. And tea tree. Peppermint, I just can't. This is soft. This is peace and love. Bergamot, mandarin, orange, grapefruit, jasmine, and rose. And sitting on the dock. Sitting on the dock smells fresh. Has notes of eucalyptus, ocean air, teakwood. Y'all, this smells freaking good. Chocolate fine, full beard, glistening, old face man was in Walmart just now, but he was fine and he smelled delicious. I just want to let y'all know that I'm looking for something right now, but I just want to let y'all know I just saw a fine chocolate black man. Y'all, look at this foolery. What the? All these freaking birds out here. I just left. Y'all look at the. I know y'all see that. All them doggone birds. Look at this. Oh no. Oh no. Y'all, I have been out all day. I got my dad something, my mom something, and I'm ordering Ocean. Something when I get to the house. This is horrendous. Like, it's packed out here. Did y'all see all them birds? Now I'm about to head to the Dollar Tree and the gas station, and then we are headed home because it is just wild out here. It's wild. It's wild. For real.